Oh, hey there. I bet you wonder how I got in this position. I didn't listen. I should have followed what I was told about my safety. Now I'm in this predicament. I don't know what to do. My back gave out. I can't call for help. But he did tell me some things about what I should have done.
Yo, no, man. Why don't you use your legs? Don't use your back like that.
Why for what? I use my legs all day. I don't use them right now. Use my legs back. Come on.
I'm just trying to help you. Do it safely. Do what I need to do.
What's on, man?
Cliff, where are your shoes, man?
Shoes? What talking about, man? I'm gonna go right down the street, baby.
Boy. Hey, don't you think that's a little too high? Shouldn't you break it down into two stacks?
Nah, I think I'll be good because I've been carrying it. I've done it plenty of times before, so.
Okay, I'm just want to be safe. Remember, safety depends on you. Do not overstack your loads. Always use your knees instead of your back, and always wear proper footwear. Here he goes again. Clef, man, what is going on? You all right?
Hey, man, good to see you, man. You know, I've been here for a minute. You know, I just usually happen all the time, you know, about the fifth time, man.
Man, I told you not to stack those things that high.
I had to do what I had to do, man. Come on, you know the drill.
All right, I'm gonna go and report this. Call the ambulance.
Well, if you're calling the ambulance, make sure if it's Rebecca driving, tell her to put the AC on 72, because she be having that Jane on 80, and I be out the back of that Jane burning up, man. God, no. And if Ramon is driving, tell him to chill out on the turns. Come on, man.